Hey there, Discord users. Have you forgotten your password and need to reset it? No worries, we got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Discord app password right from your Android device. First thing first, unlock your smartphone and go into the Discord app. Once the Discord app is open, tap on Login. You will need to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Discord account. Make sure it's the same one you used when signing up. Since you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Your Password link below the login field. Now Discord will send you an email to reset your password. Check your email inbox and open the email from Discord. You will notice a purple box with the words Reset Password. Tap on it. Now, you will be prompted to create a new password for your Discord account. Choose a strong and secure password that you will remember. After choosing a password of your choice, tap on Change Password. As you can see, your password has been changed. Now tap on Continue to Discord. You have been redirected to the login screen of the Discord app. Now enter your newly created password to log into your Discord account. And tap on Login. And there you have it. Your Discord app password has been successfully reset. Remember to keep your password safe and secure to protect your account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.